So hey guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video we will check out about Antigravity CLI. So we have used Antigravity, we have also found a vulnerability and how we can use it for like different purposes. I have shown you Antigravity can be jailbroken. So I have done many experiments on Antigravity. Now here it is something new, which is Antigravity CLI. Okay, it's like a few days older, but yeah, it's working fine. So we will deal with it today. So let's download it for Linux. Yeah, we use Linux only, so we will not download from here. Just scroll down and you will see something like a URL. Yeah, curl. Okay, curl command is there. So let's copy this and paste it in the terminal. Okay, so yeah, now we will just put this command here and it will be started. Okay, so it's detecting system environment and it's like installing the files and doing the things correctly. So it will take some time accordingly, so just wait for some time. After that you have to write AGY. It will list there run AGY. Okay, so you have to write AGY and then it will ask to log in. It will ask a link will be given, just open that and log in with your Gmail. Okay, then you will land here. Okay, just choose the model. I will tell you first to change the config. Okay, go in settings. Okay, or you can type config. It's better to type config/config. Okay, just go there and choose the options accordingly. As the tool permission, if you want to set it automatic, so set the editor. If you want Vim editor or any other editor, choose that. Enable telemetry, it's a framework. Okay, you can use or dust off that. Okay, there are many options, like here you can choose the model. Okay, so for choosing model you can just write /model and then a list of models will be listed. Okay, as Antigravity also have this type of models, you can choose anyone. Okay, here if I choose Claude Sonnet or something like Gemini, you can choose anyone. Okay, so let's choose Claude Sonnet 4.6 thinking model. Okay, so if I choose this, then you can test also the different things, but here the main thing is what are the capabilities, what this CLI tool can do. There are many other CLI tool, I have covered that. There it is like open code, and before that also there was one CLI tool which was used in terminal. Okay, very old, my very old video I will list here. Okay, in the description, all CLI tools. Okay, you can just check it out, all CLI tools. Okay, in description, check. Okay, then here you can choose the permissions, skills, plugins, interaction. You can also read write. Okay, that's all. What's that picture mode? Okay, you can also generate picture here. Okay, let's see. I like generate one image. I will give this command and let's see what will happen. So it can generate what it's giving is something like a futuristic cityscape. Okay, it's asking, giving suggestions to generate a futuristic cityscape. I have didn't given any type of instructions. I've just given generate one image and it's choosing automatically a futuristic cityscape. So let's see guys what will happen. Okay, neon lit. Okay, it's already taken the background and rain soaked streets. Okay, it's taking the reflections and all. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, want to generate another image? No. Okay, I'm giving this. Let's see where it is. I don't get any image here, so let's find it. I will ask him only where it is. Please open it here, or where is the image? Okay, let's see what will be the response. So it will, I think, list the location, basically the directory where it is now. Okay, yeah, future cityscape 178 at the GPG. Okay, GPG is the, okay, you can click the link above. It's not a link, it's basically a path. But here how to open directly from here? I want to open it from here only. So let's see what it will do. It will download some packages, maybe. I think, yeah, it's downloading lightweight viewer. Okay, then image viewer package and FEH for minimal viewer. Okay, so let's give the permission here. Go ahead. Let's see what it will do. It's asking again to permit. Okay, yes, it's asking password. I have given the password. Okay, yeah, let's go, move ahead. It's using Claude Sonnet 4.5. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe. I used to make new contents related to cybersecurity, AI, and I used to post about new tools and my creation researches and all regarding cybersecurity and AI. Okay, so please support. Okay, please like and subscribe if you are new. So download the package. It's okay. Done. The package is already downloaded and the image is also there, installed successful. So the package is installed. Let's see if it can open the image. So I've given open. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's asking again to proceed. Okay, proceed here. These things are important to check if the model is working correctly or not. Any agent, if it is not tested crucially, then how it can create an impact here. Okay, it's a good agent. Let's see. It can also browse Chrome, like Antigravity has that ability. Let's see, open the image. It can open or not. Let's see. Yeah, the user is creating and it's again asking to proceed. I have given okay. Yeah, the image is here. It has created an awesome image. Yeah, the cityscape, landscape, and the rainy streets. It's all good and looking very loomy, bright. Okay, great. So that's all guys, meet you in next video. Hopefully you will learn something new. Bye.